Into something like this. This is an old barn beam. This is about 200 years.
As many of you probably know, young kids are very active.
The way they learn.
In a situation where they have to learn, it can be difficult to control their energy. The Warwick Historical Society realized this, using it to their advantage. The Traveling Trunks program gives young students an opportunity to get a hands-on look at how people lived many years ago.
We can see the excitement in the kids' faces. They really like to learn, touch things, feel things, so almost all the things that the Traveling Trunks program provides to the Warwick schools are hands-on items.
This learning method engages the students utilizing their energy into something productive. The hands-on approach for learning gives the students more of an insight into how people lived, allowing them to experience the artifacts.
Hands-on's the best. You know, I'm not the type of person that wants to just sit here and present. I hate looking at like PowerPoint presentations and sitting in the audience. I want to get my hands on things I want to touch and feel and just get closer to the subject matter. Just make it more intimate.
That's because he made it with this thing.
In the end, the kids benefited from the hands-on look at the artifacts, giving them a better insight into how people lived many years ago.